Radiesse is a calcium-based collagen stimulator that encourages your own skin to rebuild structure. When blended with a small amount of hyaluronic acid, it becomes a regenerative cocktail that improves firmness, tightens thin skin, enhances elasticity, boosts collagen and elastin, creates a healthy, luminous surface. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Fred Bloom. Welcome back. If you're new here, I help people look and feel better, inside and out, through integrative, regenerative, and aesthetic medicine. Before we get started, make sure you tap like, subscribe, and join my newsletter for updates on anti-aging, hormones, aesthetics, and holistic wellness. Today we're walking through how I use Radiesse Biostimulation to improve skin quality in a very natural way, and how pairing it with holistic and integrative therapies can dramatically enhance the results. A young patient in her 30s came to see me with one specific request. I want my skin to look healthier and firmer, but I don't want anybody to know I've had something done. She's slim with delicate features and early collagen loss. Nothing dramatic, just slightly thinner skin, faint laxity, a touch of shadowing near the temples, and the beginnings of a little groove under her eyes. She didn't want added volume. She didn't want to look done. She simply wanted better skin, the kind of glow that looks like she gets 8 hours of sleep, drinks plenty of water, and lives stress-free, even if none of that is true. Perfect candidate for Radiesse Biostimulation. Radiesse is a calcium-based collagen stimulator that encourages your own skin to rebuild structure. When blended with a small amount of hyaluronic acid, it becomes a regenerative cocktail that improves firmness, tightens thin skin, enhances elasticity, boosts collagen and elastin, creates a healthy, luminous surface. This is ideal for patients who don't want filler. They want better skin. The treatment involves a very gentle technique using a cannula, a blunt, flexible instrument that allows me to thread small amounts of product safely under the skin. Here's what I do. I use tiny entry points along the face. The cannula glides into the subcutaneous plane, which is both the safest layer and the exact place where collagen stimulation works best. This avoids deeper structures like the facial artery and parotid gland. It also allows beautifully even collagen remodeling. The product is laid down in retrograde linear threads, usually about 0.05 ml per pass. Very small, precise amounts. This creates natural contouring, soft lift, improved jawline definition, smoother transitions from cheek to neck. And most importantly, the patient leaves looking almost unchanged, but healthier. As one might expect with this technique, you don't really see a lot of change immediately. And that's exactly what she wanted. Radiesse Biostimulation isn't about the first 24 hours. It's about the next 3 to 4 months of collagen rebuilding. That's when the skin starts to look firmer, smoother, and noticeably more youthful, but still completely natural. Radiesse gives you the structure, and your internal health provides the quality of the collagen you build. This is where integrative medicine shines. Here's how we enhance aesthetic results from the inside. Hormone optimization, BHRT, Wiley protocol, testosterone. Hormones are the architects of your skin. Estrogen builds collagen and keeps skin hydrated. Testosterone contributes to firmness and density. Thyroid controls skin turnover and glow. When hormones are balanced, Radiesse results look smoother and last longer. I've seen older patients maintain remarkable posture and skin quality through rhythmic hormone replacement, and their aesthetic results often outperform younger patients. Ozone and IV therapies, MAH, Tenpas, EBU, vitamin C, glutathione. Collagen loves oxygen and nutrients. Ozone and IV nutrient therapies support mitochondrial energy, circulation, detoxification, immune balance. Better oxygenation leads to better fibroblast activity, which leads to better collagen from Radiesse. Photodynamic and IV laser therapy. The Weber needle endolaser and even sublingual light therapy enhance microcirculation and skin metabolism. Red and yellow wavelengths in particular help with collagen synthesis, wound healing, lymphatic drainage, overall skin vitality. Pairing light-based medicine with Radiesse is a cheat code for healthier skin. Inflammation destroys collagen. Detox therapies such as binders, sauna, ozone sauna, photon wave, ion cleanse, chelators like DMSA, EDTA, DMPS, glycine all reduce the inflammatory burden. Lower inflammation means more stable collagen. Peptides amplify regeneration. GHK copper alone is a powerhouse for skin repair. BPC 157 supports healing and microvascular recovery. TB 500 encourages tissue repair and flexibility. Used together with Radiesse, these peptides upgrade the quality of collagen produced. Traditional PRP dosing is guesswork. TrueDose analyzes the patient's blood computationally and tells us exactly how much to draw to achieve the intended biological effect. PRP combined with Radiesse means there are growth factors and biostimulation, a synergistic collagen building duo. When you support the body internally, aesthetic results become more predictable and more radiant. Radiesse Biostimulation is powerful on its own, but when you combine it with integrative medicine, collagen becomes stronger, results last longer, the skin heals faster, the outcome looks more natural, the entire face appears healthier and more alive. Your beauty improves because your health improves. That's the heart of integrative aesthetics. If you're interested in natural, elegant improvements without looking overdone, this is one of my favorite approaches. You can schedule an aesthetic consultation for Radiesse, Sculptra, Xeomin, PDO threads, and regenerative facial therapies. A root map wellness consultation if you want your aesthetic results enhanced through deep, root cause integrative medicine. The links are below in the comments. And now I'd love to hear from you. What aesthetic topics should I cover next? Do you want a comparison of Radiesse versus Sculptra, or a deep dive into my full holistic anti-aging stack? Drop your questions in the comments, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.